With Pitch Avatar, you can add voiceovers or AI avatars to make your presentations dynamic and multilingual. Start by opening an existing presentation or uploading a new one. You can always add new slides later in editor mode. Need a script? Use AI to generate or write your own text. Artificial intelligence is transforming how businesses interact with customers. Want to reach global audience? Translate your script in one click. Each slide can contain either a voiceover or a video avatar, not both together. To add a voiceover, click Generate Audio with AI, choose the language, voice, mood, and tone. Or use your own cloned voice. You can also delete it, regenerate, or upload your own audio file.
La inteligencia artificial está transformando cómo las empresas interactúan.
Prefer visual presence? Add an AI avatar to deliver your script on screen. Drag and resize the avatar to place it where you want on the slide. Click the preview icon to see and hear exactly how your slide will look to your audience.
La inteligencia artificial está transformando cómo las empresas
When you're ready, click Save, then download the presentation or generate a link to share online. Repeat this for each slide or when generating select. Apply to all slides to speed things up.
La inteligencia artificial está transformando